everyone, I'm Mandy.
And I'm Luke.
Luke is an 8th grade student who participates in Vermilion 4-H and summer cooking camps.
Today we're going to build a sushi stack. In this recipe, we're using the best tools of all, our hands.
Making sushi can be a fun and interactive way for kids to get involved in the kitchen. For this recipe, we're using medium grain rice. The type of rice used in sushi is important because it needs to be sticky enough to hold its shape.
Did you know that Louisiana is the 3rd largest rice producing state in the country?
Yes, and the LSU AgCenter are developers of a new type of rice called Parish Rice. Parish rice is higher in protein and lower on the glycemic index compared to other types of rice. This is important for people with diabetes. Okay, Luke, are you ready to build a sushi stack?
Yep.
So let's get started. Before handling food, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Dry them with a clean paper towel. We'll start with cooking the rice. We're using a rice cooker today, but you can cook your rice in a saucepan on the stove.
While the rice is cooking, we'll prepare the shrimp. We're using fresh shrimp that have already been peeled and deveined, but you can use frozen or even popcorn shrimp. I'm going to rinse them under cool running water and let them drain. Now, put them in a medium bowl and sprinkle with onion powder, garlic powder, and no salt Creole seasoning. Toss them around until the shrimp are well coated.
It's important to wash your hands before and after handling the raw shrimp.
In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the shrimp and cook for about 3 minutes on each side. You'll see them turn pink.
After the shrimp is cooked, place them on a plate to cool. Then cut each shrimp into half-inch cubes and set aside.
Once the rice is cooked, spread it out on a pan to cool. Now we'll make our spicy mayo. In a small bowl, mix mayonnaise and sriracha and stir together. Remember, sriracha is spicy and a little bit goes a long way. This will be for our topping.
Now we'll dice the cucumber. Be sure to wash all vegetables before cutting them. When using a knife, remember to ask an adult for help. Measure out the shredded carrots and set the vegetables aside. Now, let's build our sushi stack. Using a 1 cup dry measure, layer 1/4 cup of cucumbers and 1/4 cup of carrots. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of Kung Pao sauce over the vegetables. Now add 1/4 cup of shrimp, and then our final layer is 1/4 cup of rice. Press slightly to pack all the ingredients.
Carefully turn the cup over onto a plate. Then repeat with the rest of the ingredients to make 3 more stacks.
To finish, drizzle with spicy mayo. If you like, top with soy sauce, sesame seeds, and avocado. And there you have it.
Easy and kid-friendly sushi stack. We'll add a cucumber salad and pears canned in 100% juice for a balanced meal.
Any leftovers should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator. The sushi stack should keep for 3 days.
The recipe for this sushi stack and the cucumber salad can be found online at lsuagcenter.com/buildahealthymeal or in the description box below. Follow us on Pinterest and Instagram for more healthy meal ideas.
So come on, let's build a healthy meal.